All right, welcome back. This is Lantern Quantitative Reasoning for Primary 6. We are treating Test 9, Test 9A. Okay, now look at the question here. If you study this sample closely, you will notice something. Look at 12, 5, 2, 8, 1, 10, 5, 7, 7. What do you think they have in common? Add up 12 plus 5, it gives you 17, plus 2, it gives you 19. Add up the next line, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 10, 19. Add up the next line, 5 plus 7 gives you 12 plus 7, 19. You can see it's just simply adding up the top numbers. Okay, so let's go to the questions and treat them one after the other. Now look at this. 5. Let's not solve the top one here because we are looking for a missing number right here. So if we start, we are looking for a missing number right here. So starting with this might not really be helpful. So let's start with this other one. Okay, so let's start with the one we are sure of, and then we can proceed. Okay, so let's magnify. Okay, now let's look at it closely. So let's start from the base. 16, 1, 7. Let's add it up. 1 plus 16 will give us 17. Then if you add 7 plus 17, you're going to have 20. That will be 17 plus 7, 24. Now you're going to be 24. Okay, so if we're going to have 24, then let's look at the next one. 2 plus 9, that's 11, plus 13, that's another 24. So the answer to the addition of the number is actually 24. So when you add 8 plus 5, it's going to give us 8 plus 5 is going to give us that's 13. 13. If you take that away from 24, you're going to have 13 from 24, you're going to have 11. So our answer for this first question is 11. Okay, so this is our answer, 11. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Let's look at it again. We have 9, we have 14, we have 22. By the time we add 14 to 22, we're going to have 36. Then if you add 9 to 36, you're going to have 9 to 36, you're going to have 45. So let's verify to be sure it's correct. Let's add 6 to 18. We're going to have 24. 24 plus 22, 24 plus 21, you're going to have 45. So the addition of the numbers ought to be equal to 45. So by the time you had 28 plus 13, you're going to have that's 38, 41. 41, what can you add to 41 to make it 45? It's just 4. So the answer to this number 2 is 4. So this is the answer. So let's move to the next one. Okay, adding these numbers also, number 3, 10 plus 15 is 25, plus 11, that's 35, 36, isn't that? Yeah, 36. If you add 9 plus 7, it's going to give you 16, plus 20, 36. So the answer is 36. Now add 2 plus 1 is 3. If you remove that from 36, you're going to have 33. So our answer here should be 33. So this is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next one. If you go to the next one, you're going to see the same pattern. So just do the same pattern. If you add 24 plus 28, you're going to have 52. 52 plus 25, I'm going to have 77. Okay, do the same thing. 30 plus 42 is going to give you 72 plus 5 is going to give you 77. So the answer to this other one is 18 plus 37 plus 22. That will give us 77 as well. So our answer to this question is 22. So let's move to the next one. I think that happens to be the last question. Okay, now let's add up again. 12 plus 12 give us 24. 24 plus 38, that's 50. 24. Okay, so let's add the 4. You have 42 plus 2. 42 plus 2, that's 62. Okay, so 62, let's add the upper one. 16 plus 18 will give us 34. 34 plus 28, 34 plus 28 is 62. Okay, so by the time you add 31 plus 17, you're going to have 48. 48 plus 48 plus 14 will give you this. So the answer here is 14. So that is the answer. Thank you for being with us. I want to believe this is simple enough to understand. Kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscription button below, and also hit the like button, and also drop comments below. We'll really appreciate it. And if you have any of the questions you want us to treat, feel free to write us on the comment box. If you can screenshot and attach it, fantastic. If not, just tell us the topic, the page if possible, and how we can locate the question in order for us to solve it. And we'll really appreciate you clicking that subscribe button. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.